Hello everyone, it is Tori and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a quick review on these knotless braids that I have in my hair and suggest a few styles for you all if you have knotless braids or something similar. So first of all, this is not my first rodeo with box braids in general. I have been getting box braids for years, but I absolutely love these knotless braids. Let me get a closer view. I actually got them small width and they are very long, like butt length. You would think that with the length of them and having so many that they would be heavy, and they are not. The complete opposite. I've had these in for about a week and literally like I can do anything with them, put them up, down, like whatever. They do not cause pain. I have had box braids many a times, and usually by a week you're just starting to be able to sleep comfortably with your braids and your bonnet. Like, these braids feel as if I don't have anything in my hair at all. I love them. 10 out of 10 recommend, and I do not think I'm ever gonna go back to the original box braids. I will always do knotless when I get individuals. So let's get into the styling. So first, you have just a basic like side part that I like to do, one side behind my back and like this. Style, but you can do a twist with your hair in the front. I'm sorry my edges are not really styled, but they're kind of laying down for my scarf. So yeah. That's one alternative to that last style. You can also do a side twist and then just let the rest hang. Next, using the same bow, you're gonna just do a half up, half down. And then if you want to do a bun, half up, half down, I don't put the scrunchie on just yet. Grab all your hair together and just start to twist. And then next, I'm going to use a bigger bow. It's the same kind, I just been using it for forever and stretched it out. So we're gonna flip it all over for this high ponytail. Like I said, if these were normal box braids, I would not be able to do a style like this after a week of having them. My hair would hurt so bad. A little bit more like space. I'm just going to pull on these, tighten it a little bit. I'm literally just pulling the braids so that the hair that is, you know, out here gets kind of pulled up and tightened. And like I said, I have a little bit extra left in the bow, so I'm just gonna pick up a couple extra pieces just to get it tighter. A high ponytail. And you can also add accessories. So I've got this little scarf thing. I don't know what you want to call it. We're gonna use it as a scarf. It's gonna allow it to sit up a little bit more and just add some color and pop to the style for sure. Take this out. Same way we did with the half up, half down, you can do a high bun. I literally just wrapped it around a few times. I didn't really add a tie to it, but you would probably want to put another hair tie on it just for it to be a little bit more secure. And I have this red headband that I think would be cute. Okay, so I wrapped this around. I love it. Just use this headband to jazz up a normal everyday style. You can wear the hair to the side. You can wear your hair straight back. I just wanted to show you all a few styles that I do with my knotless braids. So simple, so easy to maintain, so cute. If you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment if you want to see more like this. I thank you all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.